Let me start with from the bottom. This is pedicel. It is the part by which the flower remain attached to the stem. Now you are able to see the swollen part. The swollen part is termed as thalamus or receptacle. It is the part of the flower on which all the floral appendages locates. Now we'll come to the different parts of the flower. The parts of flower can be arranged into 4 whorls. The outermost whorl that you are able to see is of green color, and the single unit is termed as sepal, and the complete structure is termed as calyx. Now you are able to see the colorful part. This colorful part is termed as corolla, and the single unit is termed as petal. Now we'll come to the inner side. On the inner side there is a whorl in which the members are visible. The white colored stalk and the orange colored lobe-like structure is visible to you. There are 2 lobes, so this is the bilobed anther lobe, and finally this complete structure with the anther lobe and the filament is termed as stamen. The collection of the stamen is termed as androecium. It is the male reproductive part which forms the male gamete. Now this is gynoecium. It is the innermost part, which is the female reproductive structure, and the uppermost part on which the pollen grain resides, it is termed as stigma. Then there is a style, and finally the swollen part is the ovary. The complete structure is termed as pistil or carpel, and it is the part of gynoecium. Now let's discuss about the functions of each part. The sepal, which is green in color, it is for photosynthesis and it protects the petals during bud condition. Now the petals, they are colorful, large, showy, and they are to attract the pollinators. The stamen, as I have already discussed with you, the stamen is the male reproductive part, and at the anther lobe, the pollen grain get formed, and each pollen grain has 2 male gametes inside it. This is the female reproductive part, and there is the location of the ovary. The ovary has certain ball-like structures which are termed as ovules, and each ovule has an egg cell inside it. So this is the complete structure of a flower, and the flowering plants are termed as angiosperms. The flowers can be of 2 types, as you are already able to see that both the male and female parts are located in a single flower. That means it is a bisexual flower. But if there is only androecium is shown in the flower, then it will be the unisexual flower and it will be the male flower. And if only gynoecium is visible, then it will be the female part. So flowers can be of 2 types, unisexual as well as bisexual. I think it is all about the model of a flower, and we need to discuss the parts with their functions. Thank you.